Hi guys, I'm Osmal from Simple&smart, and in this new video we will talk about this product. It is very important to clean the surfaces of every dental unit between one patient and another. Obviously, this takes time, but we have the solution. Tecnoshield, a ready-to-use disinfectant and detergent foam. It is a new product born thanks to cooperation with an Italian supplier. We generally recommend using gentle and alcohol-free products to avoid ruining the surfaces of the unit, the plastic parts or the leather of the seat. This product is perfect for everyday use. There is not much to say about this product. Just take a cloth, spray on it, and clean the surfaces of the unit. Really easy. Tecnoshield can also be sprayed directly on the surfaces, but we recommend not to spray it directly on lamps or control panels. Obviously, it is an alcohol-free product, gentle in all surfaces, but very effective. It is used for quick and lasting disinfection of all medical devices, respirators, face masks, operating tables, and so on. If you are interested in this product, please contact us at info@simplesmart.it. If you enjoyed this video, give your like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell to stay updated in this dental world. Thanks for watching, and see you the next time.